Hey mate, so that's all set up now. It's going in. So I'll just show you how to add things in to the email. So I'm building up the email now in the actual in the workflow. So how when you're in the actual building section, so you can just drag over elements from the left-hand side here. So if you want like a text, so you can just pop that in there, or I think you can. No, you can't even. So yeah, so you just pull stuff in from over on the right here. There you go, and then you should be able to edit it and play around with how you want. As for the images, you've already done that, so you just have to go and do it again. But you can jump in there and finish that off. Oh wait, no, I'll show you as well how to do the button. So here's a button there. That's the link directly to this page here. So the actual order page that we set up on the other funnel. So how you do that as well is exactly the same. So over on the left-hand side here, you've got buttons or surveys, videos. There's all different elements that you can pull over. So you just want to pull over a button, and then you can just go to this one here. Just copy that link, place it in there. Oh, well, shitty. So, trying the Jowett method now. So then that's going to link up. You can change the color of it as well down here. You can play around with the style of it, however you want. Yeah, so I'd go in here and just chuck in your buttons, or your images, or your text, just to make it look good again. You might have to just recreate it again. I'll put in all yeah, you've got all the content there anyway. So that's how you can just go in and finish that off. Now, how you actually access this, it's going to be in a separate area to where you built the other one. So it's a bit confusing, but you would have done it as a campaign. Yeah, so you've set up the campaign, so that's just an email that goes out there. So jump into automation up here next to campaigns. Automation it's like a campaign, except campaigns are just a one-time thing. So you can set up an email once and shoot it out to a list just one time. So with the difference to an automation is the automation is attached to a list. So I've set up this list here. So the Jowett method Facebook lead ads. So I've attached that workflow, the automated workflow. So you can either click there to view it, or you can go through, and then you can click on journeys here as well. So then that's where that automation will come in. So jump into automations, the Jowett method introduction. So you can see there that's attached to the Facebook leads ads. You can jump in. Here's where you set up everything. So it should all be set up ready to go for you. But step name. So that's the subject. You inquire about the Jowett method. You can change that. It's from you. Return address is you got that. And then so you can just click over here, go edit email content, and then that'll bring up the editor. So that's how you get to there, and you can just jump in, fill in all the content and those images again that you sent me. Yeah, and just remember to drag over elements like this. There's another thing as well. You can add different sections to your email, so you can have like different sections, like different numbers of columns or different sizes of columns. So then you can do, if you want just an image there, and maybe like a headline here or something. So then you can just change the way it looks in the format of the email. And you can just drag that into there. So yeah, you can also change the different types of content or the way it looks on there. But you probably don't really need to. It looks good as it is. One suggestion I'd say would maybe be to, you might not need that as many photos as that you've got. So maybe like three 3 to 4 photos with like a little blurb above each about who they are, what they lost, blah blah blah. But that should be good. Once you finish that, make sure you click up here when the email's done. Turn on. I'll just turn it on now. Fuck it. I'll turn it on now. Well, no, I'll turn it off in case anyone signs up in the next couple of hours. So just when you finish your email, make sure you click Turn on Journey. Now, the other thing, I'll do another video. It's getting a bit long.